Hi, my name is Glara. I want to talk about how we can survive for the next 100 years. I've heard that you think that when lots of years pass, then humans might not exist. But if we solve the main problems of the Earth, then I'm sure that we can continue our um, lives. So, how can that happen? So, first, I will need to talk about the problems. So, I think the problems is first, human overpopulation. I think this is a very serious problem. So many of us talk about pollution problems or that there is not much food or water for the earth. But human overpopulation contains both of it. If there are more people, then we will need more stuff to eat or drink or more space to live in. And also if more people are in the world, then they will use more cars or other things that cause pollution. So, so first I'm going to talk about less food. Food is very important for people to continue their lives. If there is no food, people can't live. And so is water. So, if there is so how can we solve this problem? I think I thought of crops. Crops help us have many um, food to eat. But these days we grow a lot of crops, but I think we need more crops or crops that grow faster so that we can have crops easier. Crops are made of seeds. Seeds are not that hard to get. Seeds are not expensive, or if there's a plant, it's it's easy to get seeds. So I've thought of changing the seed's DNA so it will grow faster. If there is a pot and this is soil or dirt, so plants. If you plant a seed, then plants will grow. But this takes a lot of time. If there is lettuce and you plant a seed, this is lettuce seed. Lettuce usually has something coming out in about 3 days. And when it grows so we can eat it, it will take about a month. And lettuce is something that many people like to eat and many people is having. It's used in salad or other things. But if we change the seed's DNA so it'll grow faster, then we will be able to have the food in not even a day. So if we can plant the seed and it grows very quickly, then I'm sure that it will produce oxygen. So if it produces oxygen and it doesn't occur a lot of time, then we will have a lot of oxygen in a short time. So if you have a glass box And there is a door that you can open. And you plant a lot of seeds here. Or some lettuce. Then this box will be full of oxygen. And when it is full of oxygen, you can open this door to produce oxygen. And that oxygen will be very clean. So that will help the pollution problem too. And you can both grow crops and also produce a lot of oxygen, so that is very nice. But if you make just a little of them in a small one, it will not help much. So you need to make a really big one and plant a lot of crops in it, so you can produce both a lot of oxygen and crops, and so that many people can have it. So the next idea is having insects. I know it doesn't sound that good. Insects are some creatures that crawl around which people don't even like to see. But how can we eat these? I know it sounds a little disgusting, but 1/4 out of people on the earth are having insects for their meal. I know it might sound a little weird, but this is true. So we can have insects too. We're having cows or pigs, so we can also have insects. And insects like mealworm has a lot of protein and calories. So when you don't have enough food, so you can't have a lot of calories, then you can have mealworms, so you can get enough of calories, which makes you be able to have enough energy to move and do your stuff. So this was about food. And if I talk a little more about the insects, then and more about the crops and the glass box, then if this is soil, I think you can put some protein and vitamins or calcium, and the soil will be more nicer and more better for the plants to grow, and the plants will contain a lot of these stuff, which is good for our health and might help the crops grow more healthier, and it will not die easily. So this is what I prepared. Thank you for watching.